So, Siggi the Wine King is getting married. And his wedding is gonna be in his home country, or he's half Filipino, half Icelandic, so one of his home countries, the Philippines. But Iceland is trying to stop us, as you can see right now. There's a storm brewing. And the news forecasts say that this storm might last for 1 to 2 days, if not 3. And the thing is, our plane is leaving tomorrow at like after the 4 in the morning. Yeah, 4 in the morning Sunday. So we're gonna cross our fingers that we don't have insurance. So if the airplane won't go, I don't know if what that means. If we can get a new ticket or we just lost a bunch of money, honey. But I don't know. Iceland just wants to keep me here, I guess. But I have faith still that this storm won't last too long. There's the first episode of Siggi the Wine King. He's getting married to his beautiful wife to be. Join us in this adventure. It's gonna be one hell of a ride, and just subscribe for it now because you're not gonna regret it. Alright, turn this shit around. So, we made it. The storm didn't stop us. Here you have it, the Fellowship of the Wine King. Hello, Christian. Still brother. That's pretty racist, but he is half Asian, so I guess it is only half racist. No, I'm kidding. This airport is pretty mad. I feel like it's bigger than my fucking home city of Reykjavik. So if you believe this is inside an airport, a forest in an airport, it's pretty impressive. So we've been traveling for about maybe 12 hours, 14 hours, and we have maybe 14 hours left. 4 hours here at this magical airport. And then we take a flight to the Philippines for 9 hours. Let's go. But they have the Gordon Ramsay burger here. So let's see what's all the fuss is about. Let's try it out. Here we have some hippies in their natural habitat. Can you see? Guess they come here during their hibernation state and rest here by the trees. Yeah, this is one hell of an airport. So here we have the famous Gordon Ramsay burger. Let's see what all the fuss is about. I can't find my travel companions. Maybe they're gotten lost in this jungle here. Okay, are you excited about trying the Gordon Ramsay burger?
Oh yeah, we're gonna get the 24-hour, what's it called again?
24-hour beef-based beef brisket, I think.
Beef brisket burger. It's gonna be delicious, guys. Hopefully. It's a lot of money.
It's a lot of money, baby. To be honest, like, and we don't got that. We ain't rich, but Gordon Ramsay, make us proud. Welcome to Cebu, we have arrived. Yes. Today we're gonna walk around, check out the city, go to one of the biggest malls in Asia. First we're gonna get some of those love handles back on.
I'll get the packs going.
So I forgot to tell you guys, how was the Gordon Ramsay burger? So for me, I was really surprised. It was actually superb. The meat was just thick and juicy. The bun, the cheese, it was just... I thought just like a Gordon Ramsay burger was just gonna be an okay burger, but it was actually a high level burger. I really enjoyed it. What do you think?
Yeah, I was shocked as well, man. I'm not sure what my hopes were for it, but it was really good. Like it was just amazing.
Quite amazing, I agree.
Honestly, it's very hard to find a burger that was better than that one. All the ingredients was like top notch. Only complaint, maybe a little bit more salt. Otherwise, it's perfect.
But now it's here, I'm afraid. So we have to get it back out of the system. So guys, we're at a mall here in the Philippines. And we are going to another mall, like one of the biggest malls in the Philippines. I must admit, guys, I do really hate malls. But it's, I guess, an Asian thing. These guys like malls, so I'm not gonna be negative. I'm just gonna go there and enjoy their company and see what it looks like. Here we have the Wine King. So, are you looking forward to getting married? What's wrong, Wine King? He's very camera shy, but he's getting married and I'm so proud of him. I'm so proud of him. soon we will go to an island and he will marry his queen. He needs a couple of wines, then he's gonna be talkative. I'll buy you some wine later, Wine King. I'm gonna tell you guys a secret. This guy doesn't like malls either.
Malls, I'm not the biggest fan of malls, but
we're gonna make the best of it because
yeah, I still want to buy some stuff. I want to buy.
Gonna enjoy each other's company and
exactly.
But
actually, one of my favorite thing about malls is there's a lot of food.
There is a lot of food though. That's true. That's plus. That's plus right there.
And the air is cool and nice.
The air is cool. So we're just gonna enjoy it. Even though normally it would be torture to go at malls, but today it's gonna be okay, I think.
Let's check it out, guys.
Let's check it out. We're walking in circles. I remember this place here. Not long ago I was here. I don't know why we're walking in circles, but
it's been 3 days.
It feels like 3 days.
I don't even know who I am anymore.
I don't know who I am. These guys, they love it.
I know the guy, he's my brother. And do you know who he is? We call him the Wine King.
It's the Wine King right there. We're finally out.
Going home, man.
We're going home. We rented the car and we're going to the beach, getting some food. I don't know. Let's ask him. Christian, where's this car taking us?
You'll see.
Oh no, we're going to Yulsi.
To hell.
Yulsi.
I think we're going to another mall. Oh my god, this mall is huge. So we're gonna go to an aquarium here before we leave. I hope they don't mistake me for a whale because I've gotten pretty fat since I came here. What do you think?
They've been looking at you strangely, man.
That's the wanking for you there. He always knows what to say. That's the wanking. He always knows what to say. He always knows how to bring the spirits up.
Yes, and the spirit is very important for the heart.
We're in the wild. I wonder what we're gonna see. Watch out!
So.
That's the. That's the silver baraguta. Famous.
Silver kuta found in the beaches of
Yeah, and they're very deadly.
Very deadly, very poisonous.
Very famous in the Filipino jungles.
If they beat you, they will tell you have to. You will tell the truth of all your secrets.
Yes. They say they're the truth tellers of the sea.
Quite dangerous, but quite beautiful as well.
Oh, what's that? Oh, we're in the jungles now. Gotta watch out. Be very quiet.
Be very quiet, guys.
We get some Steve Irwin impression.
You better watch your feet, and you better watch your feet.
Oh, what?
Because we're in the jungle. We're in the jungle now.
We're in the jungle now, but
Watch out. He doesn't understand how serious this is.
We need to be careful and
Very careful.
quiet.
Very quiet.
This jungle is full of birds
Full of fish,
and poisonous insects,
poison insects.
especially the miracuata.
Miramata.
That's the local name for the 1,000 feet.
1,000 feet fish.
The baraguta of the jungle.
Barakuta.
Oh, look at that. The Filipino shark.
The Filipino shark.
Known for its ferocity and bite force. They say it rivals the strength of 1,000 men.
Oh yeah. Poor fish there, they deserve to be in the wild.
You know, but yes, you're right.
You're gonna save them.
Look at this one. Look at this one. With his mouth and his funny nose. The Filipino fire komodo. Known for its fiery skin and deadly talons.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
please do not shit them.
My god, he's the chosen one.
Bird whisperer.
Bird whisperer.
The shaman king.
And the Wine King.
He has many traits and many talents.
He's so cool. I wish I was like him.
So you had quite the skills with those birds.
Yeah. I did not expect them to jump on me like that.
So how do you communicate with them? Where did you learn this? The last time the Wine King was in Philippines, he was tortured, experimented on. They wanted to make the ultimate weapon, half bird, half human, but with the intellect of a human and with the elegance and strength of a bird. He can control the birds with his mind, with his thoughts. He was tortured for years.
And just a smile.
A native species. the Filipino diver.
Filipino diver, a rare species.
Yeah, the most dangerous of all.
I looked upon the bird show, thinking, but I have already seen the real show. This was just a show. Birds been taught trick, doing a trick for a cookie. But the Wine King, he was telepathic. He controlled the birds with his mind. How did he do it? How? I wonder. How does Siggy manage to speak with the birds?
Man, I heard he like
Experimented on for years, tortured. They were trying to make the ultimate weapon, hybrid bird man. They would merge his DNA with the birds, a painful act that took years of experimenting. Now he can control birds with his mind. He is telepathic, but this did not come without a price. He's neither human nor a bird, but he's stronger than both, the ultimate weapon. He escaped, and now he does good for the world.
likes to, don't put him in the bed.
He used to what?
He used to cuddle with birds, if you know what I mean.
There had to be something. They can smell the scent still.
Yes.
I got Goobie the small shoots.
Oh my god, what are we gonna do?
I can see it.
Their dream, our nightmare.
We're gonna walk so many floors.
I don't know if we're gonna survive this one.
So many floors, so many stores. This guy's gonna go nuts.
We might be here all day.
We better be prepared.
So, what do you think of the mall?
I think it looks very interesting and it's gonna be very fun, I think, to be honest.
We've been shopping for like 3 hours in the small mall, so we're gonna go there now. It's gonna probably take us for like 5 hours. So get ready.
My god. We're getting our cardio in this mall. Exercise for the ages.
Second workout of the day.
I like how much effort they put in these malls though. Like, you can see all the small details.
If I had to use one word to describe it, it would be spectacular.
Spectacular indeed.
If you're tired of walking in a mall, then you rent this.
Katsukari is the best in the world. Come to Pino to enjoy.
Yeah.
Here we go. Katsukari.
very tasty. Crispy, soft. So, thank you for coming with us on this journey. Tomorrow is the best episode yet. We're going to the Ranking's Lost Village. So you better subscribe, it's gonna be amazing.
Habitat surrounded by the fish he loves so much, deeply, intimately, sexually.
So he can talk to birds and he can talk to fish.
Look how happy he is among his own kind.
He really loves it in there.